kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, from now onwards I will be starting a new video series on Bluetooth programming using Android Studio. Okay guys, so in this video series I will teach you all the basics and all the concepts regarding the Bluetooth API in Android Studio. So basically I will be showing you these concepts. Alright, so before I talk about all that topics inside our Bluetooth programming, let's first of all create our project. So I will name the project as my blue. Okay, then click next, and from there you can select any. So I will just stick to API 21 and I will click next. We will create the empty activity and let me click on finish. In the meanwhile, let me discuss some important topics with you. So basically, first of all, as you can see, this is the beginning video. So in this video we will talk about Bluetooth API and we will also start the project. Alright, after that what we are going to see is we need to see the how to request for switching on and off the Bluetooth. Okay, so inside our Android application there will be a button to switch on or off the Bluetooth. Alright, after that we will discuss about how we can list the paired devices which are already paired in your Android phone with your Android phone. Okay, and we will display them in a list view. Alright, after that we will talk about how we can use our phone to discover nearby devices and we will show them inside a list view. Alright, after that we will see how we can send data from Bluetooth devices, okay, using the Bluetooth communication as client and server architecture. Okay, then we will try to send messages from Bluetooth device to another Bluetooth device using our Android application. After that we will see how we can send images or files using the Bluetooth API in your Android application. Okay, and finally we will start a new video series on chat application using Bluetooth technology. Okay, in the meanwhile, as you can see that our Android project is now ready. Let me make it sure that it is up to the mark. So let me first of all remove that, since it is my IDE issue and I need to resolve that. Okay, so I will click on project structure and we will add the app compact dependency. You don't need to do that all, because okay, this is only my problem, I mean my Android Studio problem. Alright guys, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.